Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to fix Chatgpt conversion not found. Now you can see here your problem, fix it. Okay, now this solve problem. First of all, make sure your internet connection. Check your internet connection. Then just go back. First go to your settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Now click on search bar. Search Chatgpt. Click on Chatgpt. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear data. Now click on delete. Now back. Then go to your Play Store and check update your Chatgpt. Search Chatgpt. Now update your Chatgpt if it available to Play Store. Then back. After all this process, now check problem. Now solve this problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.